Alright. We are streaming, we're live. Yep. Awesome. I'm just gonna make sure that everything is good. Okay. Cool. I guess I might as well move this over here. Oh, I forgot Hold on, I need to change my display settings. The screen is a bit too big. Keep changes, there we go. Alright, I am back today to continue working on the BetterLegacy story mode. Last time what did I do last time? I think yeah, that's right, I filled out a lot of the story. So now we have a bunch of levels. Or not levels, interfaces and stuff that can be unlocked. So if I go into here, so yeah, I filled out all of these, or at least they exist. I think I did a bit more work since then. I think I finished this one. Yeah, I finished this one and finished the other, a few others, but those can be worked on a bit more later. For now, I want to actually focus on like the cutscenes and finalizing the cutscenes, and potentially also like playing through the story itself and like kind of getting more of a feel, like kind of like what I did the first story stream I did 2 weeks ago, I believe, about a month ago. Where like I played through the whole story and I like tried to get a feel for like what is missing and what I want to be there. So this time I want to do the same thing again, but I want to actually, but now that I actually have the levels and the cutscenes there, I basically need to figure out like what goes into those cutscenes. So, oh yeah, I think I did a bit more work on this cutscene. Yeah. Oh geez, my controller's shaking. Oh yeah, because it's connected, that's right. I should disconnect it. Yeah. There you go. Go to editor. Is it gonna be fine? Okay, yep. Okay, so I'm not sure if I want to start with like the first cutscene. Maybe I should. Let me think about it. So the previous level was this one, which is the tutorial, which then should lead into like the first cutscene that kind of introduces the nanobots. Yeah, so I think I want enter a new area, maybe discover a log. Okay, yeah, I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to try designing a staff log. So let me go to editor. Create objects camera center. Yes, there we go. Then I'll turn it off for now. Okay, so that should be at 200 actually, I think. Okay, so maybe I could change the theme as well. Also, this is after the first pre-release of BetterLegacy. I think 2 days ago, was it? Let me see. Yeah, 2 days ago, I did a pre-release for the 1.7.0 update of BetterLegacy, and it's got a few new things in it. Or it's got a lot of new things in it, but like stuff that people haven't been able to try yet. And it has most of the story, like what I've been able to make so far. Okay, I think that could work. Changing the theme there. Or maybe, no. I think instead I should do like this theme. Oh. Okay, all the nanobots are gone. Okay, interesting. Oh yeah, okay, that's why. So where does it start? Okay, it starts there. So bottom color needs to be this one. And then we need to put the player colors like in their proper slot here. So there, yep, there we go. Wait, why is the background pink? Is it because it's all this color? Wait, no, that's effects, backgrounds. I guess they're probably all of this color here. I think that could be easily fixed. If I just copy this here and then this here. Huh? Wait, why is it? That's strange. Oh wait, I think did I do this incorrectly? Oh no, they're not. Huh? Why is it pink? I'm so confused. Oh, okay. I see. So, yeah, this is, this background thing, or this blur, because the background has a blur, it has, yeah, it's on the pink color slot, which I don't really want. Yeah, it's just changing. Why is it changing the pink? And then it's snapping to like red and then white. Okay, before and after is fine, but I don't want it to be. I don't want it to do this. Is it like, okay? Is it? No, that's worse. Okay, maybe I instead do this. Or maybe instead I just like, I don't know, I changed the color to this beforehand. Okay, it's a bit odd, but that's fine. Not much I can do about that. Okay, where's the object that I made earlier? There it is. So I want to design what the like logs could look like in the story mode. Like what it looks like when you're like in the cutscene, at least. Like what is the representation, the physical representation of what the like log is. I might go with something kind of standard of like a text document. I think that makes sense to me. So I'm gonna have to do a bit of math here. Oh no. I'll be fine. I think I should be able to do this. So I need to move this there, and then I don't think that's no, that's not enough. It's not enough. It's too small. And then this should be like that. There we go. And then we could have like a kind of fold to it, almost. Like that. There we go. does that work? Not sure. Hmm. Okay, I just have to adjust my microphone because it was kind of in a awkward spot there. Okay. Also, I guess I should probably like talk a bit like about my like thought process with this stuff, or with working on this story mode. It's been pretty difficult trying to um work on a story because it's like it's not really something I've done really before. Or I've had attempts and doubt into it a little bit, but I've never really like made a full story or anything like that before. Mostly it's just always been snippets. Like most of what you guys would have seen in like my older levels and stuff. Those are like snippets of the stories that I want to tell. Like the Klassic stuff that I did way back then. What else? The what was it, the third anniversary like video thing I did, Memory Archives. That's also like kind of a small snippet of what I wanted to do. But it's also like stuff like I don't have it fully realized. That's usually the case with these stories. I don't have everything realized, so it kind of takes me a while to like figure stuff out. But eventually, kind of like I mean I don't know. It takes a while to kind of figure stuff out. And with this story in particular, there's a lot of ways that I've been trying to like think about like making it, and trying to like get myself to enter a state when I can basically make it. Actually, hold on, I gotta refill my drink bottle. All right, got my drink bottle. Hydration. I am hydrated, and now I can continue. Also, sorry if I'm difficult a little bit. It is cold, so there's a bit of a cold season going on right now. And what was I saying about? Oh yeah, so this one way I thought about like doing this process of the story is basically like going like actually playing through the story mode. I think I might have mentioned that last stream. Okay. I mean, maybe I don't know. And the thing is, I'm very indecisive with a lot of stuff. That's why I never like end up making a story because it's just like I always kind of get hung up on the details of things and don't really know where to take something or don't really know where like what to do with how to like expand upon it or um fill it out, I guess. That's always been an issue like I've always had is like but it's also kind of just the problem with my general style of how to do things. Okay, I think. I mean, I guess with this cutscene, maybe instead I. You know, honestly, I don't think I want to have it continue much further because it's like, I mean, what are they gonna do? Maybe there could be more. Hmm. Actually, no, I don't think there's much point. I don't think. Or no, wait. Uh, Dang it, I really don't know. Again, I'm so indecisive. Okay, where's the main nanobot? Where's the main one? There it is. So I actually want the main nanobot to turn around. Or turn back around. Yeah, there we go. And then they're gonna keep going. And we might encounter like a staff log or something. Or this pack goes on for quite a bit. For like you know what, I can't do this cutscene. I think this cutscene is a bit too much for me at the moment. So instead I could probably work on actually wait, no, there's actually one more detail I'd like to add to this actually. So I think with like the squiggly lines here, I could instead move this over a bit, remove one of those, and then make that, and they're gonna do a sprite equals 4, or is it 5? No, it's 3. No, it's 2. There, okay, there we go. But it's also offset. Actually, I guess I could just use this. Yeah, or actually I could use this because that one should be fine. It's the default image object. Although it's an image, so I don't know. I'm really struggling right now to get this figured out. Okay, I think 2 should be fine. Okay, let me change this to this and then change the color. just so I can get the color right. Let me zoom in on this. Okay, I think I'm close. Kind of, but it's like, oh, I think I got it. Did I get it? Yeah, I can not see it anymore. Unless I can see it on my other screen. Yeah, no, I can't see it. Oh my goodness. Okay, then this one, or wait, is it? No, it's this one. This shape, there we go. This one's probably, where would this be? It's kind of around there. Oh, I think I almost got it. I think that might, yeah, that seems correct to me. I mean, from a glance, yeah, that looks right. So, yeah, that's fine. There we go. Okay, I think this could work as like as a way to represent like a log, a log in the game, or in the story. And I could also probably add like maybe a gradient, like a slight gradient to this. Only a slight one. I don't want there to be too many gradients here. Okay, that adds a bit more depth to it. It makes it a bit nicer. A bit nicer. Okay, so I think around here, instead of going to 300, we'll just go to 200. And where's the parent? Okay, there we go. Delete this. Okay, now let's stop here. And they encounter a log. Possibly. That's kind of the vibe I'm getting here with this. So they encounter a log, they're like, what is this? And then maybe they touch the log or something. Or something, I don't know. Something happens maybe here and then end. But also, like, how am I gonna fill that entire scene out? Like, they're kind of just standing around at that point. I want to get it done quickly. Like, quicker than that. That's why, like, trying to animate cutscenes with, like, songs is a bit, or, like, with music is a bit difficult, because you kind of, like, you kind of want to pace. Like, you want to have the... You want to have some moments be quicker pace than others, but then, like... But then the song isn't as... Like, it doesn't get to a moment where you will want. It's hard to describe what I mean. It's like, so... I want this, like... Okay, so here they found a log, right? And I guess they'd be wondering, like, what is this, right? And they probably touch it. And maybe that's that, and then that's what would take them to the story or to like staff log menu. So then they would so that'd be the entire cutscene, which all of that could be done in just like how long is this, like 2 seconds? No, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, around like 8 seconds or something. So I mean, even then, that is a bit longer than them just like, okay, so they spot the log. So like, oh, log, what is this? They ask about it. We don't know, and then they touch it or something. Or maybe, no, it's, or maybe they continue, or maybe they talk about it a bit and then they go into it. Or they touch it and then that's what takes them to the thing. Not sure, but okay, I am happy with how this is modeled. So let me rename this p_staff log. External prefab ca staff log. Set the timeline cursor. Actually, I'd rather, yeah, set the timeline cursor. What the heck? Why are you over there? Oh, that's odd. Okay. What are you? You're a prop. Yeah, you are a prop. For cutscenes. Represents a staff log for cutscenes. Create prefab. There we go. Okay. And then I can move this back up to where it was before. Okay, cool. Okay, that one's gotten a tiny bit of progress. What's the other cutscenes? I think the next one is this one. Yeah. Now they're wondering, like, we need to find more logs. Wait, why is the player here? Let me turn the player off. There we go. This song might, I don't know, this song might not stay, potentially. It might change. So this is them trying to search for the logs. So they're trying to, like, they're talking about it. And then what's the cutscene after that? The cutscene after that is this one. Whereas maybe there's some kind of mystery going on. actually maybe there's, oh, what if I bring in the staff log for each level. But then, or for each like post cutscene where it's needed. Maybe. April Ghouls. Yeah, I mean, okay. Here's the thing, though. It's no longer April Fools for me. Because it's the 2nd of April right now. Yep. It has ended for me. Yeah, I only realized like a day before April Fools. The goals are different. Yeah. For some reason I only realized like a day before that that I like for the past few years since 2022 I actually have posted something for April Fools. And so I wanted to keep up that tradition of posting something, or of like posting a meme or something silly, right? Or posting like a preview, or a meme that hides a preview of the future of the story. Which this time, yeah, I literally had to like go into the some levels and actually make the story. I want to make the not make the whoa, jeez, I am. I literally had to like open a level, or like open like an audio, find some audio and then make something of it, and even open a previous level and work something. I literally like spent like a few hours like trying to figure out what to do, because I wanted to keep up the tradition of posting something. I think next time I'd want to try planning it out a bit better. I did have more. I think I remember I had stuff planned a while ago, but I completely forgot because I've been so busy and so like my mind is just like completely like bogged down. Like everything is going on, with the story and so much focusing there. Um. I actually wanted to work on something. What was it? Oh yeah, I wanted to work on that. Maybe no. Okay, let me delete that. Okay, there we go. So how am I, okay, what am I gonna do with this? Okay, I can select this theme. Or actually I might choose a different one. Oh, this one could be interesting. I wonder if I could try making something with this color scheme. Maybe like the green and purple and the Actually, no, I'm getting too distracted. Don't get distracted. Focus on the story. Focus on the story at hand. Okay. Let's see. Oh yeah. There's also this cutscene, which is actually the thumbnail that I used. I actually want to. I want to put the nanobots here. Okay, there's already a nanobot there. Yeah, but I want to make another part where like the nanobots are here. Yeah. The only thing about like making these cutscenes is like it's hard to figure out how to lay the scene out. I can do that fine sometimes, but sometimes I can't. It's very odd. Okay, what kind of pose are you in? Okay, you're in that pose. So I might as well have you like kind of flipped around a bit. Yeah, there you go. And instead, I'm gonna actually, I want to actually kind of do a small transition here, maybe. Or a bit of a camera movement here, where like the camera moves. Then I could have the camera pan over here. And then I'm about to discuss. We go back to this perspective. Whoops. I always end up forgetting like which keyframe I've selected for some reason. It's so bizarre. Okay, then I'm about to travel off. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna actually play through this story. Let's see. So, I'm just gonna delete this one. I guess I might as well delete all of them, just so it doesn't end up clogging too much. Okay, let's see how this feels. I think it should be fine, because I haven't used it anywhere else in this story, I think. because I think I removed all of it. I guess I could as the developer of this, I could just skip the levels because I feel like then I would be wasting too much time with this. But also I feel like playing the levels would be important too, for getting the vibe of the story and how it's. Man, it's so difficult. It's so very difficult. Okay, compile. Okay, yeah. So this cutscene. Okay, then the other ones are gonna. I have to animate the other ones, and then they encounter a log. Yeah. Okay, and then this is that log as well. So this basically informs our characters, the nanobots, that like about what is going on here. So if that's the case, right? Then they should be reacting more towards like, yeah, more towards this. But also, it's hard because I have I have specific characters I want to. Maybe that, I don't know. I'm not good at this. I'm so not good at this. I need to find more logs. Yeah. Maybe I could actually, for this one, I could probably. Wait, why is it this theme actually? That's odd. What? I don't know why it's this theme. Hmm. Okay. Guess I can end level. Oh yeah, okay, that's why. Because this one, yeah, this one's this one. I think Oh, wait, what? I was expecting a crash, but it didn't crash. Strange. Usually, like when I go to the editor from playing the story mode or playing the arcade, it crash. Don't know what's going on there. Oh wait, maybe it's because I removed the player shape. That might be why. Okay, so let me see. So what cutscene was it? Okay, it was this one. We need to find more logs. Yeah. We try bringing in like the other nanobots, maybe. Okay, I think, yeah, I should do that. Where's the dialogue? Dialogue's here. I'd much rather be down here, maybe. Yes, example, the level was saved. I feel like one issue I'm kind of running into right now is like I guess I still don't fully understand how to animate a cutscene. Or I haven't fully wrapped my head around it. So maybe I should do some tests to figure that out. Yeah, some like test animations. Possibly. Or maybe no, I don't know. But also considering like the nature of the characters here, it's like it's hard to figure out like like what to even animate, because it's like it's just the way that their models are. Oh wait, that's something I never really thought of. Skipping cutscenes. I'm not sure. I guess it's something I can implement at a later point, possibly. How long have I been streaming for? I've been streaming for 50 minutes. I see. Okay. What? Okay. This is so annoying. I don't know why it. Why is it so annoying? Why is it so annoying to do? I think it's just. Yeah, it's just the nature of the models and like the way that the players. Whoa, jeez. My controller was shaking. Wait, that means that controller is still connected, which I don't want. By the way, when I'm going there, I'm just resetting the or just clearing the players that I have. So it shouldn't shake anymore. Yeah, it's not shaking anymore. Okay. It's hard to animate these nanos because it's like because the way that like they move, the way that they move in the game is very specific, and it's painful. It's a bit painful to animate with something like Dev Branch, the Dev Branch player. Let me see if I can show. Oh, I guess I can open that. I can open this little. Like this one, animating this one is fine. That one's easy, because it's just like, have the tail kind of. Okay, like rotating it is easy. That's easy, but like flipping around, maybe not. I'm not sure. I guess that could also be easy too, but the problem I have, or I've had, is with this one, with how it operates. Like, you see how the tail kind of gets dragged behind, like it stays behind in a path? Kind of like a snake, almost. Which, I prefer this. Like, I prefer how it works here compared to this. But even then, it's like, but because I've gone for this design, or this way it works, it's a lot more difficult to like convey that motion using regular old keyframes. And I did have like a player object earlier, like a player object where I could customize. What? Scale 90. What? I had like a player shape here just before this, like after the PA heart here. But I decided on removing it because it wasn't really that great. I think if I think I will probably re-implement it at some point. And I'll add some settings and I'll make it so that you can actually like use other player models. So instead of like the base ones, you could use any of the other custom ones you make. You can also have like some custom settings for it as well. Like that's kind of similar to how the polygon shape is going to be implemented and how like the text object works as well. I think that could be nice. That could be nice to do. Man, I think I'm... Not quite sure what to do at the moment. Yeah, you know what? I think I'm gonna have a break and then I'll come back later and I'll do another stream again later once I have a bit more of an idea. So I'll be